Hello students, welcome to Eshwari Thaniksha channel. Students, in this video we are going to learn trick to calculate pH of weak acid. Students, in the last class I have made a video on how to calculate the pH of strong acids. I have taught 4 tricks using which easily you can calculate the pH of strong acid. For strong acid there is different method. Weak acid, it's different method to calculate the pH. So in this video let us see how to calculate the pH of weak acid. So students, first learn the example for weak acid. So weak acids are acetic acid, then you have HF, and then you have nitrous acid HNO2. So these are the example for weak acid. So strong acids, you know, sulfuric acid, nitric acid, all those are strong acids. So to calculate the pH of weak acid, it's very simple. You have to follow this 3 steps. What is that? First step is you have to calculate alpha. Alpha is nothing but degree of dissociation. Second step is you have to find the concentration of H plus ion. Third step is you have to calculate pH. So these are the only 3 steps you have to follow. So now let us see the given acid is strong acid or weak acid. So let us solve. Let us understand by taking one example. So this is the question which I have taken from NCERT textbook. See, this is the NCERT textbook. Problem 7.18. So this is the question and this is the answer they have solved. So you can see it is so lengthy. So I'll teach you a simple trick using which easily we can calculate the pH. So let us read the question once. The ionization constant of HF. So here you can see HF is given, which is a weak acid, is 3.2 into 10 to the power of minus 4. So ionization constant means they have given Ka value. Ka is equal to 3.2 into 10 to the power of minus 4. Calculate degree of dissociation of HF. So you have to calculate degree of dissociation, which is nothing but alpha you have to calculate in 0.02 molar solution. So concentration is given as 0.02 molar. Calculate concentration of all the species present. So these are the 3 species present. You have to calculate the concentration of all these 3. And then you have to calculate pH. So as already I told you, first step is find alpha, that is degree of dissociation. So how to find alpha is alpha is equal to square root of Ka by C. So this is the formula you will use. So substitute now, this is equal to, so Ka value is given here 3.2 into 10 to the power of minus 4. 3.2 into 10 to the power of minus 4 divided by C. C is concentration, which is 0.02. 0.02 square root. So let us simplify this one. So 3.2, I'll write it as 32 into 10 to the power of minus 1. And then you have 10 to the power of minus 4 divided by 0.02. You can write it as 2 into 10 to the power of minus 2. So I'll write inside the square root. So now you can simplify this. 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2 6 are 12. So you got 16. 16 you can write it as 4 square. And 10 to the power of minus 1 and 10 to the power of minus 2. Simplify this, how much you will get? 10 to the power of minus 1, 10 to the power of minus 2, if it comes in the numerator, it becomes plus 2. Minus 1 plus 2, it will be 10 to the power of plus 1, which is nothing but 10 into 10 to the power of minus 4. We can write it as 10 to the power of minus 2 whole square. So square root of this. So again simplify this. This is equal to. So now 4 will come out of the root. Square and square root will get cancelled, and even 10 to the power of minus 2 square and square root will get cancelled. So you will get 4 into 10 to the power of minus 2, and inside the bracket, inside the square root we have 10. So this is equal to 4 into 10 to the power of minus 2 into. So what is the value of square root of 10? Square root of 10 is 3.1. So I hope you know how to find out the square root values. So if you don't know, so it's very simple, no need to worry. So how you will calculate is 10. So 3 3s are 9. Same number write down. 3 plus 3 6. And here 10 minus 9 is 1. So keep point, take 2 zeros. So now write 1. 61. 1s are 61. So it goes on. So this is the value we are taking for square root of 10. So 3.1. This is equal to, simplify it further. So multiply 4 into 3.1. So how much it will be? 4 1s are 4. 4 3s are 12. So after point there is one digit. So after one digit keep point into 10 to the power of minus 2. So this is nothing but 10 to the power of minus 2. So move this 2 digit, this decimal point. So it will be 0.12. So this is degree of dissociation. So first part we found, that is alpha 0.12. So what is next step? Next step is we have to find out H plus ion concentration to find out pH. So that we will find using this equation. So I'll write the equation once again. Write this equation: HF plus water, H3O plus F minus. So now what is the concentration when time t is equal to 0? So concentration of HF, it is given here as 0.02. In the question you can see the concentration is given as 0.02. So HF concentration is 0.02, and water there is no concentration, we are not taking. And then H3O plus, initially it will be 0. And at equilibrium what will be the concentration? At equilibrium, so students, you know that for 1 mole if alpha dissociates, then here how many moles are given? So the concentration is given as 0.02. Then how much will dissociate? So it will be 0.02 into alpha. So here it will be 0.02. From this how much it will dissociate is 0.02 into alpha, 0.02 alpha. So now same concentration will be formed. So here H3O plus will be 0.02 alpha, and F minus is also 0.02 alpha. So now we have to find concentration of this 3 species: HF, H3O plus and F minus. So first let us find the concentration of HF. So HF concentration is equal to, what is the concentration at equilibrium? Concentration at equilibrium is 0.02 minus 0.02 alpha. So this is equal to 0.02 minus 0.02 alpha value. How much we got? So alpha value is 0.12. 0.12. So this is equal to 0.02 minus 12 2s are 24, and after point there are 4 digit. So 4 digit, after that we have to keep point. Do subtraction. So it will be 0.0200 minus 0.0024. So this will be 10, 9 and this will be 1. So 0.0 and here it will be 6. 9 minus 2 is 7 and 1. So this is equal to 0.0176. So this is equal to, now shift the decimal, 1, 2, 3. That is 17.6 into 10 to the power of minus 3. So this is the concentration of HF. Now we will find the concentration of H3O plus and F minus. So concentration of H3O plus will be equal to concentration of F minus, which is equal to 0.02 alpha, 0.02 alpha, which is nothing but 0.02 alpha is 0.12. So how much you will get? See here, 0.02 into 0.12, we will be getting this much. That is 0.0024. This is nothing but, now shift this, 1, 2, 3. 2.4 into 10 to the power of minus 3. So this is the concentration of H3O plus and F minus. So now we have to calculate pH. So what is the concentration of H plus ion? H plus ion and H3O plus ion, it is same. H plus ion concentration and H3O plus ion concentration, it is same, which is nothing but 2.4 into 10 to the power of minus 3. So now let us calculate the pH. pH is equal to, what is the formula? Minus log of H plus ion concentration. So now substitute the value. So this is equal to minus log of H plus ion concentration is 2.4 into 10 to the power of minus 3. So this is equal to, so now 3 minus log of 2.4. So 2.4 we can write it as 2 plus 0.4. So this is equal to 3 minus log of log value we will take log 2. So log 2 value, how much you will get? So log 2 is 0.3010. So students, log values, log 2 is equal to 0.3010. Log 3 value is 0.48. So these two values you should remember. So log 2 value I substituted it as 0.3010 plus 0.4. For 0.4 what you have to do is 2.4 comes in between log 2 and log 3. So therefore what you have to do is you have to subtract these two values. If you subtract these two values, how much you will get? 0.48 minus 30, you will get 0.18. This value we have to multiply with 0.4. 0.4 into 0.18. So now this is equal to 3 minus 0.3010 plus multiply this. So 18 into 4. 18 into 4 is 72. 72. After decimal 1 digit, after decimal 2 digit. So 2 plus 1, 3. After 3 digit we have to keep decimal 1, 2, 3 point. So this is inside the bracket. So now add these two numbers. So this is equal to 3 minus, when we add these two numbers, how much you will get? 0.3010 plus 0.072. So this will be 0.3730. So this is what you will get. So now subtract this, 0.3730. So subtract and see how much you will get. So we will subtract here 3.000 minus 0.373. 373. So take carry over, it will be 10, 9, and this will be 9, and this will be 2. So 10 minus 3 is 7, 9 minus 7 is 2, 9 minus 3 is 6.2. So the answer what you are getting is 2.6. So the pH value what we are getting is 2.6. So let us check in the textbook the answer what is given, pH value. So in the NCERT textbook, question problem number 7.18. So you can see pH value. pH value is 2.62. So what did we get? 2.62. So the answer is 2.62. So this is the value of pH. So students, I hope you like the video. So if you like the video, you can share with your friends and also subscribe the channel. I'll meet you in the next video, students. All the very best.